Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
The soldier stood and faced God, which must always come to pass. He hoped his shoes were shining just as brightly as his brass. Step forward now, you soldier. How shall I deal with you? Have you always turned the other cheek? To my church have you been true? The soldier squared his shoulders and said, "No, Lord, I guess I ain't. Because those of us who carry guns can't always be a saint. I've had to work most Sundays, and at times my talk was tough. And sometimes I've been violent because the world is awful rough. But I never took a penny that wasn't mine to keep, though I worked a lot of overtime, and when the bills got just to sleep. And I never passed a cry for help, though at times I shook with fear, and sometimes, God forgive me, I've wept unmanly tears. I know I don't deserve a place amongst the people here. They never wanted me around except to calm their fears. If you've a place for me, Lord, it needn't be so grand. I never expected or had too much, but if you don't, I'll understand." There was a silence all around the throne where the saints had often trod, and the soldier waited patiently for the judgment of his God. Step forward now, you soldier. You've borne your burdens well. Walk peacefully on heaven's streets, because you've done your time in hell.
We've no less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun.